Tiffany Solorio, and I am the one organizing A World of Heart. If you are not familiar with this event, it is a 24-hour live stream event. It's going to be on March 30th and 31st, and it starts at 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So be sure to check your time zones so that you can join us at the correct time. I was inspired to do this event so everybody around the world can join in and be inspired by all sorts of different crafters, mixed media artists, scrapbookers, you name it. They are going to be joining in this live stream event. It's going to be so much fun. You do not want to miss it. There is going to be 24 hours of live streams on YouTube, so be sure to check out the links in the description box for all of the participants' channels. Also, there is a link to the Facebook event page where you can head on over there, share the event, tag your friends, comment on the event page, and you can be entered for a chance to win a prize. If you can't join us for the live event, don't worry. Each channel will have their videos recorded and saved so you can check them out at a later date. There will also be a few prizes that will run for about a week after the live event is over, so be sure to comment on every video that you watch for a chance to win a prize. All right, now that you met me and I told you a little bit about the event, we are now going to meet all of the other participants.
Hello everyone, I'm Heather from Heather's Crafty Life.
Hi, my name is Cindy.
Hey guys, it's Jess from A Card Day's Work.
My name is Davida.
Hello everyone, my name is Aditi Mahajan.
Hi, my name is Corin Wiskman.
Hi guys, I'm Olga Heldwine.
Hey everyone, I am Mary Polanco.
Hi, I'm Karen Tamir.
Hi, my name is Carissa, otherwise known as Inky Fairy Designs.
Hello, my name is Didi Catron.
Hello guys, I'm Katja from Sweden.
Hi, Nicola here from My Inner Creative.
Hey everyone, I'm Nellie.
Hey everyone, it's Erin Reed from Erin Reed Makes.
Hi, my name's Alexandra.
Hi, my name is Tamika from Scrap the World.
Hello everyone, this is Candy Rosenberg with A Vintage Girl.
Hi, my name is Laura.
So much talent, right? I am so honored that they have joined me for this event. It is something I don't think that has ever been done before, and I'm super excited about it. And like I said, I hope you guys can join. If you see somebody on the list that you do not want to miss, be sure to head on over to their YouTube channel and find the event that is scheduled for March 30th or 31st, depending on who you're looking for, and hit the reminder button, and hopefully YouTube will remind you that it is coming up and send you a notification when they are live. Now let's take a look at all of the wonderful sponsors for the event that are graciously donating prize packs, gift cards, all sorts of different things for the event. Amazing list of sponsors. I hope that you check out every single company that is listed. All right, so if you're still a little bit confused on how it's going to work, I will start out and I'm gonna kick things off with my live stream at 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on March 30th. And I will do my live stream for 1 hour, and then we can all head on over to the next channel, and then each hour after the live stream is up, we'll head on over to another channel until the live stream event is over. It's going to be so much fun. You don't have to stay for the full 24 hours to enter for a chance to win a prize. You just have to show up to one or more of the streams. All right, I told you a little bit about the event, and I introduced you to all of the wonderful participants that are joining me for the event, and you saw all of the wonderful sponsors that are donating prizes for the event. So now all you need to do is write it down on your calendars so you do not miss it. It's going to be, again, March 30th and 31st at 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We want to get the word out to as many people as possible, so if you can, give this video a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and also share this video on social media. And be sure to head on over to Facebook and share the event page, and also tag all your friends, share it on Instagram, any way that you like to share things with your friends and family. It would be much appreciated. We want to make sure that everybody can enjoy this event. And also remember, if you share the Facebook event page or tag your friends on Facebook or Instagram, you can be entered to win a prize. And thank you to everybody that has already shared it on social media. We really, really appreciate it. Like I said, we want to get it out to as many people as we can. So keep sharing, keep tagging. I really, really want to say thank you to everybody that has agreed to join me for this event. I really, truly appreciate it. And a huge shout out to all of the sponsors. They have really stepped it up and donated some amazing prizes for you guys. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Leave a comment down below. Whatever channel you're watching, be sure to ask them if you have any questions. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and we can't wait to see you there. Catch you guys later. Bye.